Mini Kong or Suko. So, that little orangutan dude from the movie. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Big old green eyes on our boy Suko. So, let's go for that. Center point to my page about here. I come up, over to the right. And we'll go with a big old curved line to get us started. Right, we got like a tear duct sort of area there. And then this curves around back up like so. So we could draw in like a little bit of that tear duct there. And then the iris, big green eyes carving down. Back up the other side. Like so. And then the pupil. His pupils are fairly big as well. Well, they can be. Just somewhere in the middle here. Alright, we'll just color that black inside. So we got big sort of eyelid lines as well coming around. And on the bottom too. So lots of little bags and stuff around his eyes and that. And he's got like a sort of downturned, worried eyebrow kind of shape here. And this can be sort of wrinkly and stuff as well. And then it sort of goes down the side of his eye here. And this will get sort of like hairy sort of cheekbone sort of section there like that. We could have like some more sort of wrinkles and eyelid lines and all stuff coming over his nose and stuff like that. And we do the same thing on the other side. So you're about eye width. So the width of his eye fits in between, and that's where the next eye starts. So basically you can fit an eye in between his tear ducts. So that and that are about the same, roughly. And then a little tear duct shape there. And then we curve it down around like so. And then that big old mini Kong green eye. And then the pupil somewhere in the middle. Okay. And then there's like all wrinkles and eyelid lines and stuff all around. Again, like bags under his eyes and stuff. And then he has that worried sort of eyebrow shape again. So it's like downturned. Comes down right beside his sort of eye socket there. And then he could have another sort of wrinkly sort of nose area there. So he always looks kind of worried. And this is actually like the top of his head as well. So like, you know, it's got like an extra, like a connection sort of bump sort of here. this comes down to his face as well, like his cheekbone into there. And then we got like his nose sort of coming down here, like the bridge of his nose quite wide. And there might be like some textures coming across. So his nostrils quite dark. There. Just sort of shadows inside them. Like that. And then the skin of his nostrils come around and it kind of joins his face, like joins his top lip. And then the top of his nose kind of just bumps around here. This eventually like has loads of wrinkles down in his mouth here. And his mouth is real sort of sad looking, downturned, kind of like that. And like a bit of a top lip sort of area. Maybe a bottom lip area. It's quite thin. And then we got like some wrinkles that all come down around the nose and around his mouth as well. And like some more sort of wrinkles here and stuff. Right, and then this sort of hair, it's kind of like a beard, but just there around. And it just comes the whole way around his face there. And his chin, it's kind of pointy hair. Just put some lines in the corner of his mouth there. So he's got a big old round head, right? So it's like not, it's just really round basically and hairy. Like that, right? And it can be a smooth line or a sketchy hairy line like this. It's kind of up to you what way you want to do it. Right in the top of the head. Well, he's got like big ears here. And then the ear lines sort of inside as well. And then the top of the head kind of goes up a bit higher, a little fluffy. Textures on the furry parts, just to make it look like it's not skin, you know, that it's different to the rest. Right, so then his neck, so he's got like a hairy, wide sort of neck as well. Coming out that way and real sort of high up on his neck as well. And then this comes out to his shoulder. Goes down that way. And then his chest muscles kind of here. So like the center line for his chest to be there. Comes around like that. And it's all sort of hairy, so there's not like a lot in the way of like detail, I guess. I think his chest is kind of high up here. And then like his body, so he's got like a stuck out sort of belly there. We can see the arm sort of on this side. The belly that way. So he's got like a rib cage sort of area. And then maybe like just a line down the front here. Can we see a belly button? Well, it's kind of like a hairy sort of situation there. Like some little sort of hairy kind of abs and stuff down here. Just done with textures, really. And then the other shoulder on this side. And his arms get real wide. Coming out here to his forearms. It's just like all fur and stuff. On all this. And you can put fur texture anywhere you want then inside there, really, because he's furry all over. So his chest is like a little bit maybe not furry, but like only slightly. The rest is pretty much just orange fur. Okay, and I think that's the best I can do. Mini Kong, or Zuko from Godzilla. Kong. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.